I'm Krister and the founder of the Rapamycin Longevity Lab, where we are going to take mTOR inhibitors to the next level. And this we are going to do by engineering combinational therapies where we use mTOR inhibitor as a base ingredient in these longevity cocktails. If we look at the rapamycin, which is mTOR inhibitor, currently the data around rapamycin is that it's the most promising longevity intervention compound, but it will probably not have any big effect when it comes to lifespan in humans. If we also look into the future, there will probably not be one single intervention that will solve aging once and for all. Probably it will be a combination of different interventions that will have the biggest effect on longevity. That's why Rapamycin Longevity Lab is building up its knowledge around combinational therapies. And our goal is to become the future experts in engineering longevity cocktails that will not just slow down aging, but also solve aging once and for all. That's a good question. If we look at the field today, then it's quite few actors who is focusing on combinational therapies. So it's a quite big gap in the field, and Rapamycin Longevity Lab is trying to help out in filling this gap. And yeah, our goal is to solve aging as fast as possible. That's why we want to also be part of the Vitalist movement. I'm soon 50 years old, and I don't have so many decades left if I will continue living this life as I have done. So I need to increase the odds of being able to live a radical long life. And here we need to put our resources together and collaborate in this field so that we together increase our odds in solving aging once and for all. And the Rapamycin Longevity Lab is one important initiative in this movement, and there are lots of other important initiatives also. And the more people we get involved in this movement, the better chances we have in solving this big problem that we face. So my hope is that we solve it in my current lifetime. I would say that it's not possible to solve aging probably with the current resources as it looks today. We need much more resources to the field, and that way we will also accelerate the speed of solving the problem in a faster way. If we look at the Rapamycin Longevity Lab, then we started the lab 1 year ago. And we started by building up different partnerships with companies and people. And one important partnership that we have built up is with the company Aura Biomedical. And thanks to their warm boot AI technology, we are able to screen and do experiments around combinational therapies in a high efficient and cost-effective way. And we're also looking at partnerships with a company who can provide a mice boot so that we also can do those experiments in an efficient way. On top of that, we are also building up partnerships with different longevity clinics and physicians. And The purpose of that is to also do the future clinical trials in a fast way. And if we look at the goal that the Rapamycin Longevity Lab has, then within 5 years, our goal is to at least double mice lifespan. And our hope is to start translating those data also to humans. But currently we have a big challenge in the field, and it's that we don't have efficient ways to validate if an intervention works or not in humans. So we really hope that within 5 or 10 years, the field will find ways to solve this issue. And if the field solves this issue, then the big breakthroughs will come, and Rapamycin Longevity Lab will be part of those breakthroughs. One thing the Rapamycin Longevity Lab is working on is to create a high efficient research and development pipeline so that we can develop combinational therapies in a high efficient way, where we go from short-lived species to long-lived species and in the end test them in humans. If we will have unlimited resources, then we will be able to build up this research and development pipeline in a much faster way, and by that also accelerate the research. We will also be able to provide this research and development pipeline to other people so that they can conduct their experiments and research through this pipeline. And thanks to that, we will increase the chance of solving aging once and for all. So that will be our dream.